Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and let me share with you how to wipe cache or clear cache and speed up your device. So the first thing I highly recommend to do is to remove the cache. So let's go to the settings. Right here we have to scroll and find the apps. Let's tap. And here we've got the list of all currently installed apps. So what I recommend to do is to simply tap on the specific app, then go to the storage right here. And unfortunately in this one I do not have cache to remove. So let me go to the maybe Google, because I just want to show you the whole removal option. Here we've got the cache. Basically, cache are the junk files which are usually saved by the app and the device. However, they are not necessary. We can remove them. So if you've got the cache, I highly recommend to simply tap on clear cache, and as you can see, your device will immediately remove it. So that's all. I do not recommend tapping on clear data unless you want to remove everything from the app and start from the beginning. So I highly recommend to go through all of those apps, especially those which you are using frequently, and then remove cache. So for sure it will make them much faster. Another thing is to simply use the device care to release some memory. So let's go to the settings again. And right here we have to go to the device care, which is right above the apps. So let's tap. As you can see, first of all, we've got this option optimize now, so you can basically just tap on it. However, you can also perform, let's say, a deep clean. You can, for example, go to the storage. Here we've got the option, the graph, which will show us the internal storage, and under it you've got, for example, the recycle bin, from which you can remove the files which you've previously removed from the memory, some unused files, duplicated files, and large files. So you can go through those categories and basically remove the files which still are occupying memory. Again, the memory option, the memory section. Here you can simply tap on clean now and remove some unnecessary files. So I highly recommend to do that, to release some memory and to make your device much faster. And after all of that, I highly recommend to simply soft reset, or basically turn off and then turn on your device. Just unroll the top bar like that and tap on this power off icon. Then simply tap on restart or simply power off and then manually turn it on. It's totally up to you. And thanks to this operation, you can basically confirm all of the previous changes. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.